Buenas tardes, scientists. How are you feeling today? Oh, some of you are feeling well and others are feeling tired. The middle of the week can be like that, but I hope we're all ready to be scientists and get some learning done. Oh, okay. You are definitely ready. Let's start by reflecting on our questions. What do plants and animals need to live, and are butterflies animals or plants? Yesterday, we learned more through my research and came to some conclusions. Today, I want us to learn more about plants so that we can have more evidence and facts to support our claims, or what we say and believe about butterflies. So I want us to use the needs of plants and the parts of a plant to help us know for certain that butterflies are animals, which is what a lot of us thought at the end of our lesson yesterday. I was thinking that we could continue taking notes today. Isn't it a really quick way to write down our ideas? Bueno, go ahead and take out your science notebook and open to a new page. Don't forget to get a pencil and an eraser. Bueno, are you just about ready? Because I am. I already have my research written down, and I'll write the date with you. But I think you can write the title on your own by spelling it out. The title will be Plants. Let's get started. So we'll write the date together. February 10th, 2021. And I'm writing plants. Plants. And my page number, awesome. All right, muy buen trabajo, great job. We are using the needs of plants to use as evidence that butterflies are animals. I drew a milkweed plant, which is the one that butterflies eat when they're still caterpillars. And all plants have the same basic parts: roots, a stem, and, here it is, leaves. Some have flowers, and sometimes those flowers turn into fruits. I learned through my research that plants use their roots like a straw. Scientists, what do we use straws for? Yes, we use them for drinking liquids. This must mean that plants drink water from their roots. That sounds like something to write down. Plants drink from their roots. Remember to write a dash or a little circle when you write your note. So I should say they, because we know plants. They, dr, drink through their roots, are. Roots, S. Eso. Muy bien. I was reading some more resources yesterday, and I found something that I had actually learned with my students. Plants breathe using their leaves. Isn't that kind of interesting? I wonder if they have really tiny holes like butterfly abdomens. I'll have to find out more about that later. I also learned that the leaves capture the sun's energy, kind of like a solar panel. And then they turn this energy into food using photosynthesis, which literally means combining or making light. Scientists, I think we should note those important things. Plants breathe and gather sunlight using their leaves. It's a lot, so write with me. They breathe, and I'm going to change the word to capture instead of gather. They breathe and capture sunlight through their leaves. Oh, good thing I wrote it here. Leaves. All right, they breathe and capture sunlight through their leaves. Okay. You know, that makes me think of times when I would pick leaves off of plants. Maybe I shouldn't do that anymore. Oof. Well, the last thing I had to research was a place to live. This need was a little hard because I was researching all plants. All plants need to live in a place that gives them what they need. And this isn't specific, which means it doesn't tell us something exact, because all plants have different needs. Some need more water, some need less sun, and some need a lot of care. Maybe we should just write, plants need to meet their needs wherever they live? What do you think? I agree. Let's write that. They need to meet their needs wherever they live. They need to meet their needs wherever they live. They need to meet their needs wherever they live. Okay. So, I read that milkweed plants, the ones that caterpillars eat and live on, thrive in full sunlight and moist environments. Interesting. It seems like these plants are really important for butterflies and caterpillars. I wonder if butterflies and caterpillars are important to milkweed plants. I'm not sure about it either. We might have to learn about that later. But let's reread our notes from today. I need to reach a conclusion. All right, plants. They drink through their roots. They breathe and capture sunlight through their leaves. They need to meet their needs wherever they live. Okay. Well, scientists, we learned a lot about plants today, and tomorrow I want us to compare the evidence between animal and plant needs to help us finally determine what butterflies are. Thank you so much for learning about plant needs with me today. I can't wait to learn even more with you tomorrow. Nos vemos.